it's Rick here. Thought I'd, some of you newer subscribers and folks that watch the videos may not know who this is. This is Spot, and his 19th birthday is about today. He's been riding around up in here, maybe not in this same truck, but he started out in my Mercury Marquis, and then he's moved around to all the work trucks since then. But anyway, yeah, and he had some surgery a while back, if you look at one of the videos, and because the sun's starting to deteriorate him a little bit. So anyway, thought I'd just give you a little update over here at 10th Street today. Been getting a lot of stuff done, and so we'll kind of do a walkthrough here in a little bit. Be a little short video, but just something to update you on the progress. So anyway, alright, show you more. Okay, well, as you can see, that's a big pile of cardboard. This is cardboard day, so the city will come by and pick this up, and that only means one thing: we've got something inside to show you. While I'm thinking about it, don't forget to make comments on this video, and you'll be eligible for the drawing once we get 100 subscribers. I think we're at 66 currently, so we need to get that subscriber rate up to 100, and then we'll be drawing for that $50 Home Depot gift card. So alright, let's go see what the surprise inside is. Okay, well, as you can see, the cabinets are in and installed. I mean, I know I got a lot of junk sitting around, so, you know, don't judge all that, but I think they're really nice. I like them. We're going to put this as the backsplash. Okay. And then this is the wall color. And then, of course, this part down here will be painted all white. So, and then stainless steel appliances. We'll have a stove here and a dishwasher there, and then the refrigerator will sit back over here. Now I'm not going to be using this sink. I'm actually going to switch that out over at my mom's house. That stainless steel sink is deeper than hers, so I'm going to switch those out after we clean it up. But I've got a good deal on an undermount sink from the countertop folks, and I'm having granite countertops put in here, and the stone is called jasper, so it's kind of a off-white color with black and gray specks in it, and I think it'll go really well in here. So if you remember, this is the flooring color that we have, and so I think it'll look good. This looks real well with this. Everything kind of matchy-matchies. Now I know that you know, Joanna wouldn't probably approve of everything matchy-matchy, but you know, sometimes I like things to be in the same color scheme. So, and you've seen some of my other projects; they're not always that way, but this one's going to be a little more like that. So anyway. Got everything is sanded in this room, and all the trim is on, and everything in the hallway here is done. I've got some sanding to do on these walls in here, and I started putting the trim on yesterday, and so that's what I'm going to finish up today. I got to finish up the trim all the way over to here. And then, once that's done, whatever trim is left over, I can take over to our house, because I've got to start on our master bedroom, and I'm putting new trim in it. So, and then I've got to sand a little bit in here. It's been going over once, but there's a few places I got to sand. And so basically, once the baseboards are in, then I need to get, because I got about 2 weeks on the countertop, then I got to get in here and start on this bathroom. I've got the the tile. I need to get it laid out. I want to get the floor done first, and then I'll start on the tile in the tub. So anyway, I couldn't remember where we were at with everything, so that's kind of why I wanted to do a walkthrough this morning. So you know, we're getting there. I mean, a lot of people might think this looks overwhelming, but you know, it's getting done. I love the ceilings, and I got the ceilings done over in this part too, so I just really like that shiplap. It's okay on walls. I know that's kind of fashionable to do it on walls, but I like it on the ceiling. I think it looks really neat. So, and once I get this ceiling painted, this one's been painted, that's why I've got the light fixtures up. And once I get this side done, then I've got a chandelier for the dining room here. You can't probably tell too much, but it's kind of that aged copper look or whatever. Anyway, I think it's kind of neat. So, and there's Fred. He's been sitting there all winter. He's like, when are you going to get this commode hooked up? He's been waiting. So, anyway, all right. Well, be sure and share these videos and get everybody to subscribe. Hit that like button and send a comment. Every time you comment, those comments are going to go into a drawing, and once we reach 100 subscribers, which I said earlier we're at 66, so once we reach 100, I'm going to do a drawing for a $50 gift card to Home Depot. So anyway, thanks for watching. Tune in next time. Are you guys laying in the sun? What's the matter, baby? Run, Tallulah, run! Hi, baby.